How to convert Facebook account to page. So it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open your Facebook application. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top of your screen. Tap on your profile. Now to unlock your profile, tap on the three dot. Tap on unlock profile and tap on the unlock icon at the top of your screen. From here, tap on unlock your profile. So once your profile is successfully unlocked, and if you scroll down, you will see right now it is friends list. So now to convert it, just tap on the three dot and then tap on turn on professional mode, then simply tap on turn on. Once you do that, there are a couple more steps to set up your professional mode feature. You can do this later on. However, if you refresh it, you will see that the friends list has been converted to your followers. And this is the sign that your Facebook account has been changed into a page. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.